it's the end of October. We have arrived at Saratoga Springs for our quick Disney food eating Halloweenish weekend thing. As you can see, I'm supposed to be James P. Sullivan, and Rachel is Mike Wazowski. And Mommy is at 2319. Hey, we made it to the Magic Kingdom, and the decor is out, and it is fallish, and there are some people in costumes walking around.
I'm sure there'll be some up the street. We have made it to Disney, and we are here in our fabulous costumes that I made, and he's over there. Obviously, we're Mike Sully in the 2319.
Head down to your left-hand side.
Oh, yeah. Rachel's shirt's invisible.
Yeah.
Look, there's your name.
Oh.
Oh, it worked there.
Come on! Last time your favorite party outfit right here on Relive. You guys told me anyone about your favorite party outfit because you never know what you're gonna do.
We're about to go on Haunted Mansion, and although I hate this ride, it's one of my dad's favorites, so we kind of have to go.
Our not-so-scary Halloween party has begun. This magic kingdom is now prepared to celebrate my favorite time of year.
It is now time to go trick-or-treating, and we've already made a couple stops, even though it's not even technically 7 o'clock yet, but it's for my mom. Love it! I made the costumes and everybody loves them. No props to myself. Trick or treat!
Hey, happy Halloween!
Thank you!
Ooh. Hi there. Thank you.
Welcome, have fun.
No, I think it might be
Happy Halloween.
Thanks.
No problem.
Alright, we just walked the entire queue of PhilharMagic just to get 2 handfuls of candy. But the line kept moving, so it was fine. Oh, another. Oh, yeah. I didn't bring horns, though. That was good.
Hey, Magic Kingdom, if you guys are happy out there, somebody say yeah!
when the air is filled with the chill of fall. He's the one who leads them all. From witches' laughter and ghoulish growls to ghosts and monsters on the prowl. With a glowing pumpkin to light the way, he's lurking to find his perfect prey. He's the bringer of Halloween fear. Beware, the headless horseman is here.
Ladies and gentlemen, bats and ghouls, Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends have come together at this spookiest time of year to say woo to you as they proudly present the not-so-scary Mickey's Woo to You Halloween Parade!
It's not so very scary. It's really not so scary. Happy Halloween to you. To you. It's not so very scary.
Make sure you get lots of treats.
We burn the city, we're really a fright. Bring up the party show. Rascals, stones, villains, and devils, mice, who really got angry. Come, the party show. Happy Halloween.
Sashay left and sashay right. Happy Halloween, everyone! Now to your partner.
Look at all this candy and the best stuff ever. I love it. That's so good that I want another. My token, Tony, my brothers.
It's good to be back. It's good to be back. It's fun to be the one to make the cookies so mad. I love about the very scary fun that we have. There's a chill water for me. Yes, you know that we will. So prepare to be scared. It's just part of the drill.
The Sanderson sisters are back! I smell children. Children! And it is All Hallows Eve. My favorite time of year. Winnie, remember what happened on our last Halloween?
We turned to dust. Dust, 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 dust.
Don't remind me.
Sorry, Wendy.
That is why we have returned to celebrate Halloween and throw the most villainous Halloween party this kingdom has ever seen.
Come, little children, I'll take thee away into a land of enchantment.
A tip of the hat from the one and only Dr. Facilier, also known as the Shadow Man.
Shadow Man.
Shadow Man.
Now I hear y'all are in need of some sinister shadows. Well, you're in luck because, ladies, I can deliver.
And what makes you think we need your help, Shadow Man?
Don't you disrespect me, little lady.
Little? Oh.
Don't you derogate or deride. You're in my world now, not your world. And I got friends on the other side.
He's got friends on the other side. Perhaps he knows Mother. Mother. I put a spell on you. And now, you're mine. You can't stop the things I do. I ain't lying. It's been 300 years. Right down to the day. Now the witch is back. And there's heck to pay. I put a spell on you. And now you're mine. I put a spell on you. Time to be with them. It's the party all night. It's the witching hour. I say enter fire, alpha, baby, up and die. We shall fly, but we didn't bring our brooms. Then we shall walk.